Malaria has been one of the most dangerous diseases in history. Even today, the World Health Organization estimates that about 3.2 billion people, almost half the world's population, are at risk for malaria. The region where it is said to originate from, sub-Saharan Africa, has over time developed a type of genetic immunity to malaria called sickle cell anemia. Sickle cell anemia is an inheritable trait where the hemoglobin and red blood cells are abnormally shaped, making a sickle shape. This is because of a single amino acid mutation in the hemoglobin gene, making this an abnormal response due to it being a mutation that happened to be favored. When people who have the heterozygous gene for sickle cell anemia are exposed to the malaria parasite by getting bit by a female Anopheles mosquito, they have a protective advantage. When the parasite enters the host, it will replicate first in the liver cells, then it will migrate to the bloodstream in the form of a merozoite. This is where the protective advantage begins. The enzyme heme-oxygenase 1 est in high numbers by sickle cell hemoglobin. This enzyme is known to release carbon monoxide, which prevents the cell from surrendering to the parasite. Research is still being done to fully understand why sickle cell traits lead to low malaria rates, but what is known is the correlation. However, this gene isn't always beneficial. When the sickle cell gene is homozygous, damage to the body begins to occur. The sickle shape of the blood cells causes a loss of oxygen-carrying capabilities, in turn causing sickle cell anemia. This disease causes extremely severe pain due to the blockage of blood flow by the sickle shape of blood. Vision problems, delayed growth, and frequent infections are all symptoms of sickle cell anemia. Since it is a genetic disorder, sickle cell anemia lasts for the entirety of someone's life. The average life expectancy in the developed world, at least, is 40 to 60 years old, due to the many complications that can occur due to low oxygen counts. For example, damage to the spleen over a patient's lifetime can cause a massive setback in attacking infections, which can sometimes lead to death. Overall, sickle cell anemia seems to hold advantages and disadvantages to the world.